Today I will discuss family Solanaceae. Family Solanaceae, type study Petunia. Type study Petunia, you can see the flower. This is the Petunia flower. Belongs to the family Solanaceae. Now description of the flower: pedicellate, that is pedicel present, stalk of the flower present, pedicellate complete, all floral members are present, that is calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. Actinomorphic, we can bisect the flower into equal halves at any plane. Bisexual, both the sex organs present, androecium, gynoecium. Then hypogynous, the ovary is placed at the topmost position compared to the other floral worlds. Infundibulum, that is the shape is like that, and bracteate, that is bract present. Cyclic, the arrangement is like a cyclic manner. It is also, that is the complete arrangement. Then calyx, this is the calyx, sepals 5, green, gamosepalous, sepals attached, and campanulate. The shape is like that. Then corolla, petals 5, gamopetalous, infundibulum. That is androecium, that is stamens 5. If you open the flower, then we can see 5 stamens are there inside. 5 stamens present inside. That is 5 stamens free. It is called polyandrous. Stamens are free to each other. That is polyandrous, alternating with petals epipetalous. That means the stamens are attached to petals. That is epipetalous. Anther basifixed, intrors, that is dehiscensis intrors, and dithecus, anther 2 lobes. That is dithecus. Then gynoecium bicarpellary, 2 carpels present, syncarpels, carpels are fused. Then superior, ovary is taking the topmost position, flower is hypogynous, ovary is superior. Then most important character of this family, that is distinguishing feature of this family, is ovary placed obliquely to the axis. It is placed obliquely to the axis. Then it is bilocular, 2 locules are present. Placenta swollen, again very important characteristic of this family. Swollen placenta, axile placentation. Then many ovules in each locule, style hairy, stigma bilobed, capitate. Now distinguishing features of this family: bicarpellary and obliquely placed ovary, swollen placenta, axile placentation. Then the floral formula: bracteate, actinomorphic, bisexual, calyx, 5 sepals, gamosepalous, corolla, 5 petals, gamopetalous, androecium 5, polyandrous, epipetalous, gynoecium 2 carpels, syncarpous, ovary superior. Then plants of economic importance belonging to this family: Solanum tuberosum, that is potato, Solanum tuberosum, and Nicotiana tabacum, that is tobacco. These two are very, very important members of this family, that is economically important plant belonging to this family. Next, I will tell you how to draw the different parts of the flower and how to dissect the flower, that is dissection of the flower belonging to this family. Okay, now I will show you how the flower is just dissected, dissection of the flower, and also the different flower, then LS of the flower, the different parts, what you have to draw in your practical notebook. First you have to draw a complete flower, then you have to draw the LS of the flower, then a single stamen, then gynoecium, then TS of ovary, and the floral diagram. These things you have to draw in your practical notebook. And dissection, first it will be asked what is the character of the sepals. Already I told it is 5 in number. Gamosepalous, you can see how the sepals are fused to one another, that is gamosepalous. Then petals 5 in number, gamopetalous, you can see all the petals are fused, but stamens are free to one another. That is polyandrous, but it is attached to the petals, that is epipetalous. Then the second question will be asked, do the LS of the flower and show it to the visiting examiner. Now what you have to do, you have to take a flower like this and then you have to do the LS of the flower. Directly you have to cut the flower longitudinally from top to the apex like this. You have to dissect the flower like this. So you will get the LS of the flower with 3 petals, 3 stamens, gynoecium is there, then pedicel must be there, ovary, LS is there, and this is the LS of the flower, that is equally 2 halves, but you have to show 3 petals. In your LS you have to show 3 petals. LS of the flower you will do. There you have to show 3 petals, 3 stamens attached to the petals, that is epipetalous, and the gynoecium with the LS of the ovary. Ovary with swollen placenta and ovules, many ovules attached to the placenta, axile placentation. Then you have to do the TS. You have to do the TS of the ovary and it will be asked to you that you have to show it to the visiting examiner under simple microscope or dissecting microscope, student's microscope. You have to do the TS and this is the one will be asked that you have to separate the total gynoecium and you have to draw it. Then I have separated the total gynoecium, I have drawn it. I have separated this anther. I have separated the anther and I have drawn, this is the anther and this is the filament, this is a single stamen. Then I have also drawn the TS of the ovary with 2 locules, swollen placenta, many ovules in each chamber, axile placentation. Then the floral diagram you can see, this is the mother axis which is very important. Mother axis bracteate, 5 sepals, velvet estivation, gamosepalous, 5 petals, velvet estivation, gamopetalous. Then the stamens are 5 in number, polyandrous but fused to the petals, that is epipetalous. Ovary 2-chambered, many ovules, swollen placenta. This is the total description of the family Solanaceae. You have to write and you have to draw in your practical notebook.